All right, everybody, we've arrived. It's about 11 o'clock at night, and we're gonna start unloading all of our glorious pellets, so here we go. As you can see, my hubby's getting very efficient with the pallet jack. He's doing a really good job. He's a pro. We're trying to do this as quickly as possible because we're currently blocking the road with this truck. So we're trying to get it done so that we can pull it into our driveway later. 4 more to go. So, uses the pallet jack, picks it up, rolls it back. He has to kind of reposition it so that we can get it on the lift, because the lift is barely big enough to hold these pallets, but it is big enough. So he pretty much has to roll it forward all the way to the very, very edge. So here he comes. See the edge? Pretty close there. See? Then he drops it, and as you can see, barely enough clearance over our awning. It's a good thing we made our building as tall as we did, just for that purpose. Drops it down. Once he has it all the way down, he's got to pick it back up. He drops it while it's on the lift so it doesn't roll off, which is just smart. Then he pulls it into the warehouse and puts it wherever I boss him around and tell it to do to put it, right? So he's doing an amazing job stacking these in here. So we got 11 pallets, and he is stacking them 5 across. So we'll have basically one loaner out here that will basically unbox right away. And goes back for another. So I'm gonna do the last pallet. We'll see how long it takes me, okay? First I have to get the bag on the lift.
Watch your toes.
Alrighty, let's see how well I do.
She's got this. She's amazing. So far, so good. She's doing great. You got it.
Alright. Here I come!
Oh boy.
Please don't let me squish you!
Please don't roll it on. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. You're good, you're good. Yep.
Okay.
There you go. Good job.
Got it all there.
Good job. Look at that. She can do it all, everybody. Not a problem for Heather. It's your warehouse. You can put it anywhere you want to.
Last pallet. Alright. Put it right here and unbox it. Here's the opening right here.
Perfect.
We'll unbox it right here and kind of have the pallets as the wall. The wall of pallets. We'll put it right here. So, last pallet drop. Ready?
Nice.
So we got everything in. The truck's all empty. I'm super excited. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. We got all 11 pallets and 2 cases to fit in my 720 square foot space. It was amazing. We started at 10:45 in the evening when we arrived home and finished at 11:15, so it only took us 30 minutes to offload everything. Thanks for watching. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.